I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in the USA. A work permit, also known as an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, is a crucial document. It allows foreign nationals to legally work in the United States. This card is issued by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, and serves as official proof of your authorization to work. Most non-citizens require an EAD, unless they already possess a green card or a specific type of work visa. Eligibility for a work permit varies significantly based on your current immigration status. Common categories include individuals with pending green card applications, those seeking asylum, or certain non-immigrant visa holders like H-4 spouses. To apply, you will generally need to file Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization. It is essential to determine your specific eligibility category before starting the application process. When applying for your work permit, you will need several key documents. These include a fully completed Form I-765, 2 identical passport-style photos, and a copy of your Form I-94 arrival and departure record. You must also provide evidence of your eligibility, such as a receipt notice for a pending green card application. The filing fee for Form I-765 usually ranges from $470 to $520, and an additional biometrics fee of $85 may apply. Processing times for Form I-765 can vary significantly, typically ranging from 2 to 9 months, depending on your eligibility category and the service center. To potentially speed up the process, consider filing your application online and ensure all required documents are submitted accurately and completely. Always check the USCIS website for the most current processing estimates. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.